Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by prepping the iPhone and launching the recorder. Make sure software is current so features work, then open voice memos or tap the record icon in Control Center. If a microphone permission prompt appears, allow it so audio is captured. Choose a quiet space and plug in an external mic if you want better clarity. Once done, verify battery level, avoid low power interruptions. Now tap the big red record button to begin. You're already recording within seconds. Now focus on capturing good audio by watching levels and adapting as you go. Keep the waveform in the middle range so you don't clip loud sounds. Move the mic closer for quiet voices or farther for loud sources. Use pause for brief interruptions so editing is simpler later, and add a quick label so files are organized. If background noise is an issue, enable noise reduction or switch to an external mic. Make deliberate choices while recording to save editing time. To finish, tap Stop and open the Edit tool to trim or split out unwanted sections. Precise trims remove silence and improve flow. Once edited, rename the file and export using Share, AirDrop, Mail, or Save to Files as an M4A. Check file size before sending over cellular. If something goes wrong, reboot the iPhone first, confirm microphone permissions in Settings, and test with a different app to isolate hardware versus software issues. That troubleshooting step fixes most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.